Hello everyone, my name is Adam and I'm here at the Volferda factory. Behind me is Volferda's latest capsule house, the E8 model. It's 11.5 meters long, 3.2 meters wide, and 3.2 meters high. This model features a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom layout with a balcony. Let's take a look inside, follow me. As you enter on the left, you'll find a small room. This can be used as a cozy bedroom with a small bed, or as a small living room with a sofa or coffee table for entertaining guests. The entire E8 house is equipped with these curtains. When you open them, you get a full view of the beautiful scenery through the floor-to-ceiling glass windows. There's also a small retractable window for ventilation, which is very convenient. The ceiling has a suspended design offering a comfortable visual experience. Next to it is the air conditioning vent, and below that is the small room's smart control panel, which allows you to control the lighting and air conditioning. Moving on to the entryway cabinet. In the middle, you'll find the main smart control panel for the entire house. Below is a shoe cabinet, and above it is a small cupboard. You'll find the electrical panel inside. Continuing forward, you'll come to the bathroom, which features a wet and dry separation. On the right, there's a sink and a toilet. The mirror cabinet isn't installed yet to avoid damage during transportation, but they will be added later. On the left is the shower area. As you enter, you'll notice the standard 3-in-1 shower system with hot and cold water controls. The shower floor is made from a slip-resistant material, and the drain is properly connected to the plumbing system. Next, we move on to the master bedroom. The current setup includes a kitchen and a breakfast bar as per the customer's choice. The kitchen comes equipped with a central counter, induction cooktop, and a sink including a range hood. You can cook and prepare meals in this space. There are storage cabinets next to it and below as well, maximizing storage space for food and other essentials. Behind the breakfast bar, there's ample storage space. You can use this area for meal prep, dining, or enjoying a coffee. It's a great option. In the open space ahead, you can place a 1.8-meter bed, allowing you to wake up every day bathed in sunlight. Additionally, you'll notice this room comes with a balcony over 1 meter wide and more than 3 meters long. On the balcony, you can place a chair and table, making it a perfect spot for enjoying tea and the beautiful view. Truly a delightful experience. And that concludes the introduction to the Volferda E8 model with a balcony.